And welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to play local notification using JavaScript for your web app. Now I have already shown how to do server side notification like push notification, so if you are interested you can watch that video. So firstly I'll play one video. Unfortunately I can't show it over here because my QuickTime player, like the software which I am using for recording this video, blocks any kind of notification. So I'll quickly show it over here. So I have this button, click me for notification, and if I click on it, it displays a notification, so which you can see over here. And or it also, like I am also printing some data in the console, which I will show you in a bit, because that data is also useful. And if I click on click me for notification again, and if I immediately switch to another tab and click on the notification, it automatically focuses me to the web app which has sent the notification. So let's see how to do this. So here, as you can see, I have taken an HTML file, and here I have just added one button. Okay, so yeah, I'm using vanilla HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm using TypeScript, but you can use JavaScript as well. And I have just added this TypeScript file, referenced it inside our index.html. Now if you go over here on the button click listener, I have just called show notification. So inside show notification, we are first requesting for notification permission. If the permission is granted, then we create a notification. The title is hello world, the body is also hello world, but you can change the body to whatever you want. You can add an icon and batch as well. So here I am using wheat, so I have added this icon inside. Icon and batch are same for me, so I have added it inside the public folder. And I am also passing this data. Now this data JSON object can contain anything. You can add anything like this URL person, like I have created this JSON object keys. So this can be anything. You can add some more keys or add separately different keys, whatever you feel like. And here you can see on notification click list, when it is clicked, I am focusing the window. That's why if you are on some other tab and if you click on the notification of my app, it will focus your browser's window to my app. And here I am also console logging the notification, which you will see in it in a bit. And then if the user has clicked the notification, I'm just closing it. There is another thing as well, like once you see a notification, there is cancel symbol at the top as well. If the user clicks on that cancel symbol, then also we can get a console log that notification was closed manually by the user, it wasn't clicked. Okay, now coming back to this notification and coming back to this data property, if you see inside my console tab, if you see this here, you can see you can get this data as well, like whatever you have passed. Like this could be helpful if you want to do some kind of an extra stuff whenever a user gets a local notification. So for that, this could be helpful. And this data, like data person URL, you won't see this in the notification, but you can pass this along with the notification. Also keep this as short as possible, because if it is an extremely large data, the data might get truncated or the notification might fail whatsoever. So yeah, in case if you want to perform any sort of other action depending on this data, you can use this as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.